Okay, today is August 7th, 2026. I just want to mention that because things are constantly changing and I just want to date it for that reason. So, when I use AI, this might sound like common sense to some people and other people maybe not. When I use AI for certain tasks, at this particular moment in time, I do not I do not want to pay. So I use more than one AI. I will bounce around whether I'm on the web, on AI websites, artificial intelligence websites, or if I'm on artificial intelligence apps. Right now, I use Android apps. So if I'm, bouncing around from artificial intelligence websites or artificial intelligence apps, I'll go from app to app to app to see who will let me do what I want to do for free because I don't want to pay right now. So even if you do pay for premium artificial intelligence AI subscriptions, you may want to try more than one. For example, I utilize ChatGPT, of course. I utilize Google Gemini. I utilize Microsoft Copilot. I utilize Claude. And I utilize others that I will not mention in this video that you can find on your own. Again, use this information at your own risk. Results are not guaranteed. It's a wild web out there. But I just wanted to say that whenever I'm working on a project, I'm always testing out at least a half a dozen to a dozen different AIs to get the result that I want without paying. And like I said, even if you are paying, or even if I am paying, I still will try a half a dozen to a dozen different AIs. And certain people might say, well, that's common sense, whatever. But I think there are a number of people that might just be going to the same AI app or the same AI website over and over and over. And regardless if you're paying or not paying, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just telling you, me personally, I'm trying out at least a half a dozen to a dozen of major AI. Oh, I use the Meta AI as well, and I use several others. So I just wanted to, point that out because I believe in the magic of AI. It's amazing as far as getting different projects done that before I couldn't get done on this level. Of course, AI has negatives and positives. We don't need to get into that right now, but the fact of the matter is, for business, I think the majority of people are utilizing AI, and I just wanted to mention that me personally, I will utilize a half a dozen to a dozen AIs to finish a project, especially when I don't want to pay because sometimes, and again, in the future they might all charge. They might all say, "Oh, we're not letting you get past this level for free." Blah blah blah. I don't know. So that's why I'm saying it's August 7th, 2026. But right now, I will bounce around from AI to AI to find one that'll let me do what I want without paying. And just because I want to see how each different AI reacts and what they could do, what they can't do, how they handle certain situations. But again, use this information at your own risk. Results are not guaranteed. Everything is constantly changing. I just wanted to say, like, I love using Microsoft Copilot. I love Google Gemini. I love Meta AI. I love Claude. I love ChatGPT. And I could not imagine not taking advantage of all of that amazing technology. And there's at least another half a dozen that I use beyond that. That's it for now. Thank you. Have a great day. See you next one.